Hi guys, it's Jada and you're tuned into Easy Rock. Biting babies ride battle toys while bumbling boys brave bald biting babies. Biting babies ride battle toys while bumbling boys brave bald biting babies. Pag English kaya ko, pero pag Tagalog nako, okay. 77 puting tupa. 77 puting tupa. 77 puting 77 puting tupa. Tama ba? 77 puting tupa. 77 puting tupa. Hala, delikado to. Kabilog. Sorry na, okay. Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan. Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan. Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan. Ha? Wait lang. Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan. Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan. Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan. Yon! Nakakapagpabagabag kapag kinakabag ka. Nakakapagpabagabag kapag kinakabag ka. Tama ba? Nakakapagpabagabag kapag kinakabag ka. Nakakapagpabagabag kapag kinakabag ka. Pwede na akong rapper, guys. Char. Tapiko? Tama ba? Tapiko, takupe. Tapiko, takupe. Tapiko, takupe. Tama ba? Tapiko, takupe. Sorry. Tapiko, takupe. Tama ba? Tapiko, takupe. Tapiko, takupe. Tama ba? Okay. Sorry na, guys. Yan ang kinaya ko. Let's go. Okay. Hello to Easy Rock fam. It's me, Jada. I hope you guys can stream and request my new single called Bida. Just out everywhere na. And I hope you guys can follow me on Instagram at Jada, on Jada Avanzado, on X, and my TikTok Jedi Jada, and my Facebook Jada Avanzado, official Jada Avanzado. See you. Hope to see you guys next time. Remember someone today with Jada. Bye, guys.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.